Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajeem. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Assalamu alaikum everyone. I'm Faisal Jalil and you are watching Faisal Jalil YouTube channel. Okay, today we are going to learn that Microsoft Excel, a complete practical exercise. You need to create and perform the following tasks in Microsoft Excel. And today we are going to learn how to calculate the coursework marks of all the students. So first of all, we need to enter student name over here, then student maths marks, Islamiyat marks, computer marks, Urdu marks, then we will calculate total, and then finally we will get the average of their total marks. Okay, so let's take a start. First of all, I'm going to write over here student names over here. So let's write student names. Okay. Salman Ahmed, okay. Ahmed Fayaz, Ahmed Kamal, so that will increase the width. Just by clicking here you are able to increase the width. Just click here and you are able to change its width left right easily. Okay, the next one, okay, Muhammad Usman, and then let me write here Fatima Faisal. Okay, G. I've entered student names over here. Now I'm going to enter their marks out of 100 in mathematics. Let's say Morris got 76, and let me apply this. No, let me change it. Press, hold and press Control key from your keyboard, and you can apply just like that. Okay. Now in Islamiyat marks, okay, let me write over here 69. Press and hold Control key from your keyboard like that. Press and hold Control key button and bring your mouse to the bottom right corner. Use this autofill handle and then drag down. Now let's calculate computer marks. Let's say student got 74, and again press and hold Control key button, use autofill handle, applied, done. Okay, now in Urdu, let's say student got 65. Now press and hold Control key button, bring your mouse pointer at bottom right corner, first click it. Now hold Control key button, bring your mouse pointer over here, drag, click, hold and drag, and now finally we are going to calculate Morris Haider got in maths 76, Islamiyat 69, computer 74, and Urdu 65. The same way, here is the record of Sayyid Alamdar Hussain, and here is the record of Salman Ahmed, Ahmed Fayaz, Ahmed Kamal, Wasim Javed. Muhammad Usman got 82 in mathematics, 75 in Islamiyat, and computer 80, and Urdu 71. And Fatima Faisal got 83 in mathematics, 76 in 76 in Islamiyat out of 100, and 81 in computer subject, and 72 in Urdu subject. So let's calculate their total. So it's very easy. Just put a is equal to sign and now write sum. Sum function will appear over here. Double click on it. Now select a range. Use on-screen keyboard. Okay. Now first we need to click what? We need to click this range. Till here we need to calculate. Okay. Then Press shift and hold button and one time this colon sign to add what. Just click here, range, shift, colon sign selected. Okay, now click here, this one. Okay, what is the address of this cell? This is J and column J and row 7. So I will write over here J7, J7 more. Okay, remove. Now let me close the shift, round bracket. Now press enter. Sum calculated over here. Okay, you can even verify. Just click here and now click over here. Already not selected. Okay, let me find this error. Okay, what if I will write over here, I will select this cell, colon this cell, now selected. So let me remove this J's. Done. Okay, enter button. Successfully calculated. Now again autofill handle, apply autofill handle to calculate the rest of the cells. Now you can verify. Just click here and in the formula bar, formula will appear. Just click here and it will tell you that from which you have from which cell you have selected for the calculation to calculate the total. I've selected the range from this cell G7 till this cell J7. Okay, and now next press enter button from your keyboard and now let's calculate average. Same way, put is equal to sign, write average, double click here, average function will appear. Now again select this one, starting point, and now use on speed keyboard and put shift colon sign, not inserted. Okay, just click here and put what, shift colon sign. Okay, and now select the last cell, this one, go back, some error over here, let me resolve this. Start from here and shift colon sign, shift colon. Now select this last one so that it will select all the numbers between starting point and the ending point. It's not doing like that. Yes, now selected all. Okay, now press enter button. So average marks, average marks is what, 71, because he got 76 in maths, 69 in Islamiyat, 74 in computer, 65 in Urdu subject. So he got 71. So let me use autofill handle to apply this formula to the rest of the cells. That's it. That's how you can calculate student coursework marks. Okay, thank you very much. If you like this video, please like and subscribe my channel. Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.